On April 10, 2025, a tragic helicopter crash occurred in the Hudson River near Pier 40, between Manhattan and Jersey City, New Jersey. The aircraft, identified as a Bell 206 operated by New York Helicopters, was carrying 6 people, 3 adults and 3 children, including a family of tourists from Spain and the pilot. All individuals are confirmed deceased. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow, or drop a comment below on this or any future topics you'd like to see covered.